Hey everyone, this is RGB Halo Kits, and in this video we will be installing our Flow Series DRL kit made for the 2015 Plus Dodge Charger. To open your headlights, you can use either the baking or cutting method. In this example, we will be cutting the headlights open using an oscillating tool. Carefully cut around the entire lens with your cutoff tool, making sure your cuts are even and precise. After cutting, use a small tool to help pry the lens off the headlamps. Remove 4 T15 Torx screws on the corners of your fascia. Unplug and disable the 3 factory white DRL boards. Next, remove and flip over your fascia. Remove the 10 T10 Torx screws from the back of the fascia. Next, unclip the 4 holding points on the back of the fascia. Pull off the front of the fascia, exposing the clear acrylic DRL tubes. Next, remove and discard the factory clear acrylic tubes. Open your RGB Halo Kits DRLs. There will be a total of 4 DRL strips. Each DRL strip is different. Identify which strips are the passenger side and which are the driver's side by test fitting into the channel. Remove the red backing from the strips, exposing the adhesive tape. Before mounting your Flow DRLs, we recommend using a dab of epoxy in the channel to ensure a strong hold. Starting with the corner of the fascia, position the DRL strip and press firmly into the channel. Repeat the same process for the other DRL strips. Put the fascia back on and press together. Flip the fascia back over. Next, reinstall the 10 T10 Torx screws. If you purchase the headlight halo option, you are now ready to mount your halo ring. To mount your halo ring, First, start by using craft or beading wire and tie the wire around the halo at 4 equal points. Twist tie the wire securely around the halo ring. The red tape backing on the halo ring does not need to be removed. Next, run the halo wire in beading wire through the circle opening on the fascia. Position the halo and pull snug into the circular opening, wedging the halo in. If mounted correctly, you should have a nice tight fit. Next, flip the fascia upside down and spread out the beading wire. Take the beading wire and pull firmly, then place tape on top of each of the wires to hold the halo in place. Repeat for the other wires. For extra hold, put a dab of epoxy on top of your tape on each of your mounting points. After epoxy is dry, cut off excess mounting wire. Remove the back headlight cap and run your wires through the back of the headlight. Reinstall the front fascia back into the headlights. Next, take your 4 T15 Torx screws and screw the fascia back on. Drill a hole in the back housing cap for your wires. Run your wires through the hole and reinstall the back cap onto the headlight. Thoroughly seal any holes you create using a sealant or epoxy. Be sure to test all the components before resealing your headlights. After you have confirmed everything is working correctly, you are now ready to reseal the headlights. Seat your lens back on the headlight. Since we use the cutting method on these particular headlights, we will be resealing using a two-part process. Part 1, use a smoldering iron or hot knife to melt the seal together. Begin melting the plastic back together using slow and controlled movements until you have worked around the entire headlight. Put a layer of silicone sealant around the seal. Silicone around the entire headlight on the plastic welded area. After sealing the entire headlight, smooth the sealant down using your finger. Inspect your seal to ensure no areas were missed. Let your headlights dry completely before reinstalling them back onto your vehicle.